Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I found this old beat up K-bar. I found it from the DI for $5. So, this is a pretty cool thing. This is from Japan. It says it right there. Cool thing about this is that it has a compass on there. That's pretty cool. But it also has a little thing in here. Now, when I got this from the DI, it had somebody's attempt at a survival kit. Got some matches, not even strike anywhere. We have 4 matches. Start a fire, I guess. The only thing I'd actually keep in this kit is right here. Has some fishing line. It has 1 fish hook. I don't know what you're gonna do if you break that fish hook, but it does have 1 fish hook. And it has 6 brass nails, which I don't know what you're gonna do with, but it has 6 of them. So they're small little things here. Just that big. Really small little things. I don't know what you're gonna do with them, but they're in there. So obviously we're gonna be making a new survival kit for this. This is kind of a Rambo style knife. Really ugly scale. This is a $20 knife, I bet. This kind of looks like a attempted a K-bar. It has a wannabe saw on the back. It's okayly sharp. I already restored this side of the blade a little bit, just knocked off some of the garbage paint. And I found out, you can't tell really, but the coloring on this blade, there you go. It is not very good, so it probably needs to be retempered. I don't know how hard it is. I'll test that here in a second. Here's what the inside of the knife looks like. And then it just has this screw-on part. It screws on. I mean, it's pretty cool. The compass is accurate for a button compass. So let's get down to restoring it. Okay, now you can see it a little bit better. Blade looks a lot better now that we've got all that gross black paint off. And this looks like it is can't see it, but it's right there. Frost cutlery, so cutlery, that's pretty cool. Garbage company, well, okay. I'm used to military grade stuff. This is civilian, so it's basically a piece of garbage, but I mean, it's a knife. Military grade stuff is actually good stuff. This just says surgical steel. It doesn't actually give me a type of steel. Most military knives that are high carbon are 1095 or some sort of stainless steel, usually 440, somewhere around that. Sorry about that beeping, something's dying in my shop. But yeah, that's what this looks like. So now we need to attack the handle and we'll build a survival kit for it. Okay, now I've been able to remove all the nasty paint and it looks a lot better. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to re-quench and temper the blade, and then I'm going to also round off the tip a little bit. I don't like how it looks. And then we're going to repaint the handle, but first let's hit the forge. Quench went well. Now the blade looks beautiful. It's straight and it's strong. So now we're going to darken the blade in vinegar. We're gonna let it steep overnight for 24 hours. Then the blade, I think I'm gonna paint black.